golden building is not a pile of gold. It's just the pyramids of Giza. Very old, very ancient, but somewhat intact. Thousands of years ago, Egyptians, Africans built the pyramids. And then there's the Burj Khalifa, which defies physics. One is worth 1.5 billion. The other is worth estimatedly $5 billion. But it was done ancient times. That was very, very old age. We tried to attempt to do exactly what they did or better, and we ended up at 1.5 billion in modern day. What I've seen in my short stint in the manufacturing space is the concept is the same, but the valuation is different depending on where you apply it.